Hey guys, what's going on? We got some more stuff to do today on the hatch to get it ready for the races, so we're gonna get right into it. All right guys, so I just got the wastegate dump all welded up and put in place. It's not exactly where I wanted it to be, but I mean, it'll work. I got the hole already cut out too in the hood. That looks kind of weird from down here, but like when the hood closes, you'll see it actually looks kind of cool. Here, let me close it real quick. So that's with the hood all the way closed. It does look kind of cool. I like it. It's just kind of like playing peekaboo type deal. I can still see it from the driver's seat, which is what I wanted. I gotta move this little piece of metal. Like every time I close the hood, I gotta push it down just a little bit so it clears this pipe. But other than that, I mean, it's not too bad. Sticks out just a little bit. Just a little bit. Now that that's done, I'm gonna get to work on getting these hood pins installed. So I actually need to like mark the hole out where it's gonna go. My friend gave me these cheap little eBay style hood pins. He never used them. Yeah, these are definitely from China. But yeah, he was gonna use them on his truck and then he ended up not doing it. So he said I could have them as long as I could get them to work, and we're gonna get them to work today. So I was looking at this hole as like a potential candidate for putting these hood pins through. And this one just happens to be the right size. And if I put a little pressure on it, I can kind of thread it in there. So I think I'm just gonna do that. I'm gonna stick with this, get a nut on top and a nut on the bottom, and then thread this guy all the way down in there and see what happens. See if I can get a good little pin height. So, and that hole looks like it might line up with that hole. So I was wrong. It doesn't line up with that hole that I thought it was going to. It's landing about right there. So I'm gonna get the center punch, get that punched out, and then make a big old hole so that way this could fit through there. So I got my big old hole drilled in there. We're gonna see if this actually fits. I hope it does, because that's the biggest drill bit I have. I'm not gonna lie, that looks pretty dumb. I don't like that, but I gotta run it. I don't have any other option. That looks stupid. I should have got the arrow latch. Oh man. Yeah, this looks dumb. Oh. Still got it for a good price. Nice and free. So I just got the hood pins all installed, both of them. Hood's nice and tight and shut. I can't really I guess I could try and lift up on it, but it's not gonna lift up anymore. I might bring this one down just a little bit more, just because there is a gap right here. I don't know if you can see it, but yeah, there's a little bit of a gap, so I might take this one and have it go down just a teeny bit more, and it'll be perfect. I'm not even sure if I'm gonna do the holes, or like drill those out or anything. I might just leave them the way they are. It doesn't really bother me that they're not mounted. It's honestly not looking that bad, even just the way it sits. It looks pretty decent. And in the camera, in person it looks a little ghetto, but on the camera, this little wastegate dump looks pretty good, I gotta say. Yeah, I mean, I guess closer with the camera it doesn't look good, but at least from back here it looks pretty dang good. It's just like it's supposed to be there. So, but I did get something. I got this in the mail just like 5 minutes ago. I already opened it up. Grip Royal was having a sale, so they sent me some little glasses and got a horn button and what else? Oh, this little an air freshener, maybe? I don't know. I think that's what that is. But yeah, got the copper chrome. It's a little more rose goldy type feeling than I thought it was gonna be. So this is more of I would say a chocolate copper chrome almost, with a little bit of maybe rose gold type vibes. I don't even know. Dang, on the camera it looks kind of coppery, but I was mainly looking for a brand new penny kind of copper chrome, but that's fine. This looks really good. I'm fine with it. Comes with some hardware. Yeah, I got this for a really good deal. It was on one of their display models, so it's just got some tape or whatever on it. A little bit of tape glue. Just I could wipe that off, not a big deal. But other than that, it's brand new. I think I just did the scratch though. That was me. Yeah, because that wasn't there 2 minutes ago when I put this down. So I did that. That's not them. You can just barely see it. But overall, it looks really good. It feels really good. I feel like this is gonna be solid. So I'm gonna get this installed on the car too, and I'll take y'all with me so you can see that whole process. We're in the car now, in the driver's seat. I'm gonna be taking off this old broken steering wheel. Dang, that is just terrible. But I'm gonna take off this old broken steering wheel, and we're gonna put that new Grip Royal on. I don't remember what size Allen this was. I want to say it's a 4. It's probably a 4mm. Out with the old and in with the new. Dang, that is so much smaller. So this one goes right here. You can see if this all lines up. Give me mom's car. That really doesn't seem too bad at all. I like that. It does feel good. It's still small, which that part I don't like. I like how big this one was. You see how much smaller this grip roll one is. So I'm used to having all this leverage to be able to steer. If I could get one like this, oh man, I would definitely be a buyer. But I want it to look good like that. Yep, I definitely like it. Just a bit small, like I expected, but that's okay. That is okay. We got good quality stuff now. Thank you guys for watching. I hope y'all enjoyed that video. Getting a little bit more done on the hatch tonight. In the next video, I should be getting like the final little touches, throwing the battery in, doing an oil change, and hopefully firing it up. So if you guys want to see that happen, stick around and check out the next video. Peace.